I'm your teacher, computer teacher Ms. Nida, and today we start the chapter Web Development, chapter number 6. In Web Development, first we discuss about the topic basic terminologies of web development. So, first, what is the website and what is the web development? Anything which is used to create for the web development is known as the website and online applications. It is called the web development. This is done by coding in different languages. Computer have many languages for using to web development. First, we read about the HTML. A complete web application may consist of a user interface, backend server, and a database. The front end use the user ID, password. This is called the front end, and the back end, the server check the user ID and the password same or not. So this is stored in a database of the main server. So now we have the different terms which used in a web development. Number one, World Wide Web. All of you know what is meant by the WW. The first form world, second W for wide, and third W for the web. World Wide Web. So whenever you enter any website, you should write this www dot. So the World Wide Web is commonly known as the web. The web is the collection of computers connected through the internet. So publicly, anyone can access the information. This information is on the websites. So these are the World Wide Web. Connect all the people which are connected through the internet. So first we have the web page. What is mean by the web page? Any page is used to write in a HTML code is known as the web page. A web page is commonly known as the document written in a HTML language. The third one is the website. The collection of web pages make the website. I have this book. This is the main page is called the web page, and the whole book is known as the website. So a website is a collection of web pages connecting images and all the multimedia resources, a specific set of information. A website can be accessed through a uniform resource locator. The uniform resource locator is a protocol which is used for connecting the website. So we have the website and we have a web page. This web page and this website is need any application to run. So we have a web browser. The web browser is an application software which is used for web browsing. And what is mean by the browsing? To searching anything. To search anything on an internet is known as the web browsing. So we have many web browsers like the Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, and Safari. These are the web browsers. The main purpose of these web browsers is to search anything on the internet. After this, we have Uniform Resource Locator. The Uniform Resource Locator is also known as URL. The full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator. This is used to upload any website from the main server. The main server have the many websites. If I want to search any website, the main web server responds my request. So the uniform locator, it is the address of resource on the internet. Example, www.google.com. The HTTP is used for searching the Google website. It includes the following two components: the protocol used to access the resource, HTTPS. The second one, the location of the server, www.google.com. So, the uniform resource locator use these two resources to search any website on the internet. Now, the sixth one is the search engine. The search engine is a software which is used to enable the user location for information. Like the most popular search engine is the Google. The Google is the search engine for the internet. It is the main engine. You can search anything on a Google. Google help you for searching. A search engine is a web-based tool that enables a user to locate information on a web. The most popular search engines are the Google, Yahoo and the Bing. These are the search engines. After this, now we have number 7 is the home page. The home page is the main page of any website, or we can say it is the title page of any website. A home page, also known as a landing page, it is web page that serves as the starting point of any website. It is also the starting point of any website. So after this we have the web hosting. The web hosting is a organization where all the web developers upload their website. The main web host is an organization where all the website publicly accessible through the internet. After this we have the web server. The web server is the main computer which stores all the addresses of websites. In a web server is response our request. If I request for the open the website www.google.com, the web server responds on my request. It opens the website on www.google.com. So the web server is the computer that is responsible for serving a website and all the content of the website on the media. So these are the basic terminologies which are used on a web development. After this we have the websites. We have many types of websites. Number 1 is a portal. A web portal is a website that provides a user to access the different forms like from the email, from videos and forum and engines are present to give the user in a uniform way. Yahoo Messenger and MSN are the most common example of web portal. Another website which we use are the news website. The news website is the alternative way of the newspaper. Nowadays we can search anything on a web. So our news web is a modern day alternative for the newspapers. Such website have the information about the current affairs, sports, art, education and many more topics. So after this we have the informational website. The informational websites provide the information about the particular topic, about the medicine, about the sports, about education and many more. And now we have the educational website. The educational website are those websites which are giving the information about the education. It is very useful for the students to search anything about the education on that websites. We can search also past papers and notes on these educational websites. Teachers and students use these websites such as sabak.pk and the Khan Academy, examples of the educational websites. Personal. A personal website used for share the biography and the achievement of a person like Facebook and many more websites the person can share their own achievement. Okay, now we have the business website. The business websites are those websites which are used by the organization to market their product and services. It is also tell about the term politics and the procedures of the business. For instance, many websites for Pakistan Stock Exchange website. Blogs. The blog is the special type of website that is composed of articles and posts. These articles are organized into categories and sorted by the time when they are published. WordPress is the most popular example of the blog website. Nowadays, the blogger are also a very public figure and the blogger are used to give the views about any product, any celebrity, any news, current affairs. So after this, we have the forums. A forum is the online place where different users can discuss any topic. These topics can be categorized so that the user can access easily for their personal interest. Entertainment websites. The entertainment website services give the videos, games purely for the purpose of entertainment. The YouTube is the widely used for the entertainment website. After this, we have the social website. The social website is the platform where the people get together and personalize their personal contacts. They can also share their ideas, opinions. The most famous example is the Twitter and the Facebook. Now we discuss about the web pages. So how can we write a web page? So the language which we use for the web development is the HTML. The HTML is the language which is used to develop the web page. What is the full form of HTML? Hyper text markup language. Hypertext markup language. This language is a high-level language. The high-level languages are those languages which are nearer to the user, and user can use these language for writing any code. So the HTML is the most popular language which is used for web development. So how can we use these language? The HTML is used to create web pages that is displayed on a website. So first step to open or creating a web page in a HTML is you have to select any text editor. What is mean by the text editor? You have to guide your text in Notepad and any other text editor website. So now we have the Notepad. To create the code in HTML, first you have to use the different tags. First I write a small code for my web page. I am starting with the tag. The first tag is called the opening tag. This is called the opening tag. First tag is HTML. Then I have the head tag. In head tag we give the title of any web page. Now we have the title tag. In HTML we write only single T, not the double T. Single T for the title. HTML head title. Now you have to give any title to your web page. Now I am giving this is my first web page. This is my first web page. Now I close my title tag first. So for closing tag we use backslash. This backslash is used for closing the tag. First I close the title tag, then I close the head tag. The main thing in HTML, first in, last out. First in, last out. Means first I am writing the HTML tag. In the last I close the HTML tag. So head, title, I am closing the title tag. And then I close the head tag. After this, I write the body tag. The body tag is used to write anything on a web page. The body tag is used for write anything on a web page. Now I am writing here, welcome to my first web page. Now I have to close this body tag and then I close this HTML tag. This is the small coding for the beginners. First I write the HTML tag, lastly I close the HTML tag. Then I write the head tag, title, this is my first web page. This is the title of my web page, and in the body tag I write welcome to my first web page. So after this you write the code in any text editor. I use Notepad. First you have to open the Notepad and then write the HTML code. After you writing this code, you have to select the file menu on a menu bar. Select the file menu and click on save as. When you click on save as, the dialog box is open, and in this dialog box you write the name of your file. I save my file by your practical 1 PR1, and then give the extension to your Notepad file. So how used to give the extension? Write the dot, and after this dot you write HTML. Okay. So first you have to select the file menu and click on save as button. After the save as button clicking, the dialog box open. In this dialog box you have to give the name of your file. You write anything. I give my file name is practical1, and then I give the extension .html. Now this Notepad file is changed into HTML file by this extension. Okay, understand? So by the Notepad file, change the HTML file. After the HTML file, this file is open in the Internet Explorer. So my first web code is appear on a Internet Explorer. So these are the steps which are followed by the beginners. Okay, first you have to open the Notepad, then you write the code in HTML, then you give the extension of your file by the .html. So this is your first web page. Understand? So you student, you have to practice all these codes from your book. It's on page number 121, and your homework is given in a portal. So until then, Allah Hafiz.